looking at the front of the home. All the landscaping is done to be very low maintenance. Here's a view of the street and the homes nearby. You can see the homes are separated a little more than in other areas of Prescott Lakes. Huge paver driveway, 3-car garage. We have a very nice front porch area here. All richly done with stone and pavers. There's a view back toward the street. And here's a view toward the side of the house. Now there's not going to be anything built there, so it's kind of a drainage area. So it gives you a lot of space between your house and the street. Here's a view of the ceiling from the front porch, all done with rafters and all this nice wood and stone. Very nice front door with knotty wood. And here's the open concept kitchen and great room. Here's a little coffee nook. You can see the cabinetry and the appliances. That's a pantry. We'll come back and see that later. And here's the island, which is situated kind of at an angle, so it really creates a nice big open kitchen space without taking up too much room of the dining room. Here's the dining room area. You can see the simulated wood floors that extend throughout. There's a nice fireplace, little corner fireplace. Now we're going to head back toward the front door, take a look at this office in the front. Double doors leading in. A really nice plantation shutters throughout the home as well. That's a coat closet. And here we're heading over toward the guest wing. To the right here is a half bath. And here's the first of the guest bedrooms. Closet to the right, more plantation shutters. And this ensuite bathroom is actually a Jack and Jill. So that's a potty closet, I believe. No, it's a towel closet, linen closet, because there's the commode, double vanity. And here's the walk-in shower, very nicely done, lots of nice stone work. And heading through the bathroom brings us to the second guest bedroom. Here's the closet. The windows here overlook the deck in the back. Here's the view through to the other guest bedroom. Now heading back into the hall, past the bathroom, and we're back in the great room. Another shot of the fireplace. We'll come back and take a look at the back deck, passing past the dining room. There's a little nook here, nothing there. Kind of fooled me. To the right here is a door leading to the back deck. Lots of plantation shutters. And then through to the master bath. A really nice walk-in shower here. It snails around. Kind of hard to show on the video. Stonework's all nicely done, and they have this little seating area around the snail wall there. And here's the potty closet. And here's the second sink. So they have a double sink, they're just separated. And here's the walk-in closet off the master bath. It's a nice size. All right, heading back through the master bath into the master bedroom. And we're heading back toward the great room. And this time we are heading, oh, I didn't look at the pantry before. We'll take a little quick peek at the pantry. It's a step-in pantry. Alright, and around the corner here is the laundry area. A nice little hallway here. And there's the washer and dryer. A really nice large folding area, lots of cabinetry. And I'm trying to get the closets here behind me. Lots of closets back here, so lots of storage. 2 closets, I guess. And now we are heading into the garage. It is a 3-car garage. Lots of space all around. Little half wall here dividing off the third area, third bay. Beautiful epoxy floors. And here's the third smaller door. All right, headed back into the home now. Past the laundry area, now we're back in the kitchen. And now we're going to take a peek out the back deck. So this back deck is really huge. A nice big open living space. To the left here, that is west. That's where the sun's going to set, behind that mountain. That's Granite Mountain. So you have beautiful sunsets, but still have some shade. This little area extends out, creating a little space they've set up for a little coffee area and grilling. And on the other side here, they've got a huge space. They've set up a whole fire pit with sofas and everything. You do a lot with this space. And here's a view out toward the backyard. I believe there's a crawl space underneath for storage, but no living area. And you kind of see all around you here. Very low maintenance. Lots of space between you and any neighbors, so a lot of privacy. There's another view of Granite Mountain and the rest of the view from the back of the porch. And we are heading back in. Another view of the great room, and that's it.